It's a double peep explosion.
There's Peeps. Oops, you can see the butts. There we go. Alright. Alright. How much oil put in it for?
30 seconds.
30 seconds, okay. 30 seconds. They're getting bigger. You're gonna clean the oven out when it gets done?
Maybe.
I think that's probably enough. Hang on, just let it go. It's like Jabba the Hutt.
They're getting
Okay, stop it.
bigger
Okay.
like bugs.
Open it up.
Look how big they are. The double peep explosion. Wait till it cools down, and then you can see all that sugar going off of the peeps.
Yum.
See right there? You
Take a
can
bite of one.
take in.
How's it good?